welcome back to the Crazy Chicken TV. So today we are playing Nerf Epic Pranks. Right, so they based off this game of a true gun, Nerf. Oh my god. Oh my god, I thought they would see me. Oh my god. 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 Yeah. 3, 2, 1. We kill him! Yeah! I found a gift. That's horrible. I don't want to get open that gift. Alright, so, go. Okay, so. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's literally scared me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nothing to see me. There's no one there. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so. Yeah, baby, that was so good. Come on, I just killed a person and now you killed me. Bro. Oh my god. I thought the guy on the right will find me and the guy on the left. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, they scared the life out of me. Level 59. Yes. Okay, so. Bruh. Yes. It's like 85 degrees outside. Yes. Why are you wearing long... Myself. Why are you wearing long pants? It's literally 85 degrees outside. Bruh. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Literally scared the life out of me. Oh my god! Oh my god. Yes, yes. Oh yeah. Okay, so. Come on, no thanks. Just. Oh my god. Let's kill him. Level 60. Yeah. Oh my god. Ooh. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, let's kill him. Should I kill him? Yes, yes. Yes. Yeah, boy. Alright. I hate ads. Let's get that 50. Hitting the 50. Oh, 50. I want to try to get that 50 right. 25. 165. I'll get more. I'll get more. So I can't get more. Oh my god, this is so unfair. Okay, so. Oh, wow. Welcome. Okay, hello. Ah! Oh my god, that really scared the life out of me. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, that literally scared the life out of me. God, let's kill him! I didn't know he only had 1 health left. Oh my god. Wait, 50%. I don't want to get that one. Try to kill him! Ooh! Thank god there was these bushes. Thank god there was these hedges. Bruh. Alfred, do! Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so 58%. Getting a new Nerf gun. Nope. Come on. Okay, so we're back. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. I thought this Nerf gun was powerful. Okay, so shoot him. Ooh. Oh my god. Like so easy. Yeah. You got a key. Oh my god. Yes. Yeah. Yes! I found a gift. Gavins. Nope. I don't want it. How many? Oh my god. How many even? Hope I don't get that. No! I am not getting a freaking lady. No. No. Oh, come on. I'm really mad I got a girl. Oh my god. I want you to die. No! Oh my god. I don't even have to get a freaking lady. I guess every boy in this whole state will dislike this video. Oh my god. Just every boy in this whole universe will dislike this video. This is so sad. Get a girl. Okay, so, wow. Yeah, at the beach. It's only 85 degrees outside, so that's good. Oh my god. Why you guys at the beach? It's literally quarantine. Why you guys at the beach? I guess in Nerf Planet there's no such thing as no such thing COVID. Nerf Planet. Oh my. How many cases are in the country, bro? Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, come on, yeah? Right in the butt. Wow. 91%. Oh my god. Come on. Why are these all weird ads? Oh my god. I literally scared away from me. Yes! How? Oh my god. That literally flicked out. That literally like kaboom. Pure magic. Alright, can I shoot now? Yeah, now I can shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god, so yes, yes. How can people die from Nerf guns? Wow. I guess Nerf guns are that powerful. Wow. Oh my god. Get out of here. Whoa, you didn't even use the Nerf bullets on me. Didn't see me. Haha. Excuse me. Okay, so. How can't you see me? An umbrella is that hard, easy to see. Wow. Am I literally invisible? Wow, am I literally invisible? What the heck is that? Alright, so bye guys. That'll be a like at the end of the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a nice comment. So goodbye.